In this video, we're going to transform a messy compost area into a nutrient and microbe-rich bed. This simple process not only turns an untidy corner into a fertile garden space, but also speeds up the decomposition of materials. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create fertile soil quickly and effectively. So let's jump right in without wasting any time. Recently, we recycled old water tanks into large composting bins, and now we have this area left with an unfinished compost pile. The pile isn't fully decomposed yet, but it's packed with the right balance of green and brown materials. Green materials like vegetable scraps and grass clippings provide nitrogen, while brown materials such as dried leaves and small branches add carbon. This balance is essential for proper decomposition. The first step in this transformation is to spread the compost pile evenly across the designated area. Why spread it out? Well, when the pile is spread, it increases the surface area, which gives microbes more access to break down the materials. These tiny organisms are the real heroes in composting, working tirelessly to decompose organic matter. By giving them more space to work, you're allowing the pile to break down faster and more efficiently. As you can see, our pile is partially decomposed. It's not entirely ready, but it's progressing well. If your compost pile isn't even partially decomposed yet, don't worry. You can still follow this process. Once you've spread out the material, cover it with a layer of loamy soil. This step is critical because loamy soil contains even more microbes that will help break down the compost. Additionally, the soil acts as a protective cover, keeping the organic materials moist and reducing the chances of them drying out in the sun. Spread the pie as evenly as possible and level it out, ensuring every part of the area is covered. Now comes the magic ingredient: activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is excellent for increasing microbial activity. It provides a habitat for beneficial microbes, allowing their population to grow rapidly. We've prepared a liquid mixture with activated charcoal, and we'll pour it over the compost bed. The liquid seeps into the organic matter, encouraging microbial growth and accelerating decomposition. If you're curious about making activated charcoal, we've got a full video tutorial on our channel, so be sure to check it out. After applying the activated charcoal liquid, leave the compost bed undisturbed for about 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, microbes will do their job of breaking down the organic matter into nutrient-rich soil. It's essential to maintain moisture throughout this period because microbes thrive in a damp environment. Without moisture, their activity slows down, and decomposition takes much longer. Water the bed occasionally, ensuring it remains moist but not waterlogged. As the weeks pass, you'll notice the compost transforming into dark, crumbly, and rich soil. This fertile bed will be packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes, ready to support healthy plant growth. What started as a messy pile of compost will become a productive space that's perfect for gardening. This process is straightforward, requires minimal effort, and yields incredible results. By turning your compost area into a fertile bed, you're recycling organic waste, improving soil health, and promoting sustainable gardening. Plus, it's a great way to utilize a neglected corner of your garden and turn it into something productive. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you want to learn more about making activated charcoal or other gardening techniques, check out our channel for detailed videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content.